in Poland, they are really production. In the other part outside of Europe now have a little bit problem. So this is the energy and to make things, to producing fashion. This is very beautiful. So second time I'm here. So very nice atmosphere. The fashion industry is important for Poland because maybe it's cheaper, but it not means that it's not nice. Because it's important to find a nice support, a nice fashion, to have a maybe not so expensive texture. Why not? This is a creation that you can combine.